So next, also from Honorable Member Sagarika Ghosh, is don't neglect West Bengal. So I want to say, sir, don't neglect is not necessary at all. I'll tell you the kind of things we've done for West Bengal. Sir, West Bengal has never been... No, they don't want to hear this.
No. Madam, this is not correct. What is it?
She said you can ask after.
No, I'm not saying anything. You please sit down. You have elaborately you talked on this bill. You please be seated. Let the minister continue her reply.
Sir, West Bengal has never been...
Nothing will go on record except the minister's reply, please.
Sir, West Bengal has never been ignored by this government. In fact, it is Trinamool Congress which is hurting the growth of the people of West Bengal. I repeat this. It is in fact the Trinamool Congress which is hurting the growth of West Bengal. Sir, I'll give you a classic example for that. West Bengal withdrew from Ayushman Bharat scheme in January 2019. Is that good for Bengal? Industries are leaving West Bengal. Only recently, I answered a question to one of the honorable member of parliament about the number of industries which have left West Bengal. In fact, off the cuff, I can even tell you, sir, subject to correction, 1947, when India got its independence, the contribution of West Bengal for industry in the country's GDP was somewhere in the range of 27%, subject to correction. I can get in the papers. But today it has come down to minimum 3%, sir. Is that West Bengal government? Sir, industries are leaving West Bengal. I've answered a member of parliament's question. I wish I can get that copy so that I can read the exact numbers. I wish my people in the gallery can give me the letter so that I'll present it to the table office here.
You need not answer to them so elaborately.
People are suffering.
Go back to your work.
People are suffering.
No, it's not correct. When she was speaking, when she was speaking, she was not disturbed by anyone. Don't do this. This is becoming your habit. That is not good.
Sir,
nothing will go on record except the minister's reply.
Sir, I will give you data. Equally, I'll give you my personal example, sir. In my family, there's a member who lives in Kolkata. They wanted to just whitewash their house and paint the doors. They got the paints. They wanted to do it. There were people who came to the house.
Minister, kindly be specific. No need to answer to all their observations. You please address to me.
I'm talking to you, sir. Sir, 5.94 lakh crores has been given under tax devolution since 2014. Till now, 4.4 times increase versus 1.34 lakh crores given during 2004 to 14. 2004 to 14, sir, 1.34 lakhs. Now, since 2014, 5.94 lakhs have gone to Bengal under tax devolution. So, comparison देखिए sir. Then, Finance Commission did not tell us to give SASCI funds, which is given for 50 years, interest free. 24,000 crore has gone to Bengal under SASCI, sir. Not under Finance Commission recommendation. Prime Minister Modi's desire was recovery after COVID should be good. So, Bengal received 24,000 crores.
When the minister is replying,
11 medical colleges have been opened in West Bengal, sponsored by centrally sponsored scheme. That is our scheme. 11 medical colleges. Railways, sir. Under the NDA government, West Bengal received a record budgetary allocation of 13,955 crore for railway projects in the year 25-26 alone. Just 1 year. Which is over 3 times the average outlay of 4,380 crore during 13,000, sir, which is over 3 times the average outlay of 4,380 crore during 2009-14, sir. I told you, sir, about the number of companies which have left West Bengal. I give you the data, I will authenticate it, I have no problems. From 1st April 2011 to 2025, 30th September, 448 listed companies have left Bengal. 6,447 companies, unlisted companies have left Bengal.
Madam, I think we can stick to the Central Excise Amendment Bill alone.
This is a data that I'm giving.
Honorable Minister, I think you can now stick to the Central Excise Amendment Bill, please. You address to me
Yes,
and
sir.
conclude.
Other than that, sir, 101 Amrit railway stations, sir. 101 Amrit stations at 3,847 crores are being developed. 1,650 kilometers have been electrified. 98% have been electrified in the entire Bengal. 2,300 kilometers of national highway constructed in Bengal since 2014. Sir, other than this, Bagdogra Airport development in Siliguri at an estimated cost of 1,409.
Honorable Minister, you please reply only regarding the Central Excise Amendment Bill. Please
Any
conclude.
further, sir?
Yes, please.
So the excise
conclude.
bill
Yes.
will have to be considered by this honest August House and passed. Thank you.